Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. And in this menu, you should see a couple of icons. And one of them looks like the lock. To lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon. And as you can see now, it says locked. And when you try to use the touchscreen, it will be disabled. You won't be able to use it. This option is quite useful if, for example, you try to take a shower with your watch on your wrist, or maybe take a swim with your watch on. It will prevent the mistouches by the water. And maybe in sleep, if you try to sleep and you notice that you have a lot of mistouches while you're sleeping, you can also try to lock the touchscreen. And to unlock it, simply press and hold any of the buttons for a couple of seconds. You will see this icon of unlocked lock, and now you should be able to use the touchscreen. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.